one of the murder cases, or he has represented his clients in 3 operations. People looking at as far as the overwhelming majority in the legal system, उनको भी एडवाइस करते हैं कि इलेक्शन बार काउंसिल की हमारी नॉन हाईकोर्ट बार राइट एजुकेटेड एक्सपर्ट हुआ रिकॉर्डेड के लेकिन कि दिस अप्रोच इज नॉट सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने साइलेंट विटनेस चुनी के रन की कह दिया कि रिस्पांसिबल कंपनी to issue the transcripts. They would say should come forward as experts to testify to the evidence. उसके बाद कार्ड रिकॉर्ड एक्सेप्ट होगा. तो इतनी जो एक
First of all, Bismillah. I am thoroughly impressed to see, although this is a small hall, but impressed today. This is probably the first time I have been invited at various forums to address, and he had painted a very then started, and I inquired from him the situation of you. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ज़्यादा देर तक प्रॉब्ली खड़े रहना मुनासिब नहीं होगा आप दरमियान में भी बैठे whenever I receive an invitation from University of Lahore. And then he said, I asked him, have you witnessed any executions? जेड़ा वुज़ू करके खुदा हाफ़िज़ कहना है. आपको ये बता दूँ, situation out there is getting tougher day by day. Ordinary with a lie on his lips. His शख्स सुबह 4 बजे जिसकी फांसी होती है. Could be 10, 20, 30 years old book. Is in Pakistan. Personally speaking, I'm not against. What is oblique intent, what is direct intent, what is weapon, जिसको हम wedding पहले तो बात एक समझ लें. Interesting topic and most difficult and examiner's favorite area, mens area. अब मेरी बात जरा गौर से समझिए. आप सबको एक सवाल पूछूं तो आप उसका जवाब देंगे. क्राइम किस चीज very enjoyable period जो आप अभी which you are going through right now. This is the phase when you are in the law school, learning, acquiring, gaining. ये बहुत